Hi guys, my name is Ade Fatma Shifa. Today I go to Kalut Mountain, so it's my second time to come here, and I always go and back, and always walking. And maybe sometimes I want to try another experience with hiking to Kalut Mountain, but not by this trekking. So maybe next time I will camp in Kalut Mountain, and I will try to take a picture in there and or anything. And maybe I will recommendation to my friends to visit here because the atmosphere is really good, and this is summer season. And in here it's very cool. Yeah.
Okay.